Hello there guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be seeing which is better, genuine or non-genuine. So let's get on with it. So today I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be testing which is better, genuine or non-genuine. Now you may be asking, the pneumatic channel, how's this going to be a fair test? They're clearly different machines, they've got different names. Well, they're not. This is just exactly the same as this, but it's got a non-genuine motor in him. And that's the whole point of this, to see whether a genuine motor's better or a non-genuine motor's better. So, so this is my 2004 push button Henry, and this is my custom built pneumatic Isaac. So, if you look around the back of them, this one's from 2004, as you can see. And if you look at Isaac, this Isaac's missing the high-low switch, but I will be keeping this one on high, and this one, it'll be virtually the same as high anyway. And then this one's actually from 2006, this one. But it doesn't make a difference because they will have had the exact same motor in them. So yeah, literally the only other differences are plugs are different. This one's got an original one, this one's got non-original one, and then this one's got the wheel caps and this one doesn't, but that doesn't really make a difference. I know the Isaac has got an original pneumatic paper bag from the 2000s. I'm not too sure what this one has got in him. Oh, we've got a head flow in there, so I think I'll probably pop a head flow in Isaac. Right, so we've got a head flow in there, as you can see. The main reason I didn't want to use that paper bag, the genuine one, is because they're getting a little bit rare now, especially with the packaging. So I didn't really want to waste one of them on a load of fake, well, not fake, but fake dirt, which is not fresh in my house. Because yes, I am going to be doing a mess test to compare these two in this video. And one last thing before we get on with the mess test, here's how they sound. So here's what a genuine pneumatic 1200 watt motor sounds like. And here's what a 1000 watt non-genuine motor replacement sounds like. So there we are. I think we've covered everything pretty much now. So without further ado, let's get on with the mess test. Right, so I've put the test carpet down. Both of the vacuums are here with some appropriate attachments. So it's not period correct to the machines, but they are the same virtually. So we've got floor tool here. And another one here. So they are pretty much exactly the same. Granted, one's gone slightly knackered when we did the renovation, but it should still be fine on it because it won't make a difference because it's not like it's only the looks, so the external that looks more knackered, battered, but the other side's the same. So yeah. Actually here I've got my trusty green Hoover, the ones that don't leak. Got one of them here because this is where all of my mess test dirt is stored. So yeah, I'm going to be using that in this video, and I might put a few extra bits and bobs down. So we'll come back when that's all been put down. Well, here's our little mess for today. It's very dusty. Yeah, but sun's gone in, luckily, so obviously hopefully the Henrys won't fade now. Hopefully I've not just jinxed it, but anyways, we've got some like brick dust stuff here. Rice Krispies, other brands are available. Brown rice, hundreds and thousands somewhere in the mix. And that's all really. The building rubble really does take the win, I think, for the most visible, closely followed by the Rice Krispies. But let's get you set up on the ground, and without further ado, we will get on with this mess test. Oh, I don't know about you folks, but I'm excited for this one. Yeah, going to be very interesting to see which is better, genuine or non-genuine. And for anyone who doesn't know, no, there is no difference between the aluminium tubes and the chrome tubes, apart from the aluminium ones are much lighter, but that doesn't really affect the experiment. Try to make it as fair as possible, guys. So I think we'll probably start with, we'll probably start with genuine, so 2004 Henry. Oh, and also to try and be as fair as possible, they've got the same model hose. It's the short, non-tapered one, sort of like the older version that you could. But I'm very excited for this, guys. So let's get on with 2004 genuine pneumatic motor on the 2004 push button Henry. So that was a very good performance from the genuine motor, obviously because it is genuine, so yeah. So if we have a look at the results, we can see, I'd say the genuine motor cleared most of the path, apart from there is still visible signs of dust from the brick dust. But yeah, there was a lot of brick dust down there, so this is going to be quite a short mess test, but well done to the genuine motor. So now we've done that, I think we can get on to the non-genuine one. So move the camera up. Can you see it? Oh, yeah, I think you can see it all there. Yeah. So of course Isaac is equipped with the non-genuine motor because I was on a budget when I was making my Isaac. I was on a budget of 40 quid, I believe. So I had to get a non-genuine motor because there was no way I was gonna pay the price for a new genuine one. They're like dead expensive, like 60 flipping quid for a new genuine motor. I believe I picked this one up for 20 quid, non-genuine one. But let's have a look, should we? How will it do? Again, that was a very good attempt from the non-genuine motor. If we have a look at the results, we can see that, again, very similar to the genuine motor, but I have to say, guys, I think the non-genuine motor did leave a bit more brick dust. As you can see, there's a massive patch of it there compared to, there's not really much of it on the genuine path compared to the non-genuine path. There is a bit of a difference, guys, and as you can see at the side, he left a couple of the hundreds and thousands and a bit more of the grainy stuff of the brick dust, and he did also leave a few Rice Krispies. So that tells you why, guys. Always go genuine, never go non-genuine, because you will not get a clean house. Well, you will get a decently clean house, but you won't get an as clean house as you could get with a genuine. So always go genuine, guys. I never recommend going non-genuine unless you're on a strict budget like I was, because I was saving up for another vac. So yeah, that's what I'm saying, guys. Always go genuine. I wouldn't recommend anything else. And now I think because he's the winner, we're going to use a genuine motor 2004 push button Henry to vacuum up the rest of this dirt. So what's the moral of this video? Always go genuine. I mean, there's not really too much difference between genuine and non-genuine. But if you want to clean the home, go for genuine. And of course, genuine did very well in cleaning up all the dirt. And so with that, that'll just about be the end of this video. If you'd like to help me and the pneumatics out, please consider liking or subscribing. Thanks a bunch. Take care, guys. Have a good day. And from me and these two push button Henrys, it's goodbye. See you soon.